I think the biggest challenge in the industry is that everything is changing right now. Technologies, orbits, the number of people in the industry. It really is an exciting time because it is so dynamic and changing. But with it comes a whole new set of challenges that traditional methods maybe aren't best suited for. We're having to bring in whole new expertise on software and talking about networking protocols where before it was always, a hard cable connecting two pieces of equipment and it just worked. The skill sets have changed from being physical to being a lot more specialized and a lot more mentally based. And so finding the right kind of people from university and getting them interested in space has become key to maintaining a knowledgeable and dynamic workforce to go forward into the future.
So what we see is probably the change going to active antennas. So from our perspective, we want to be able to have these modular antennas. We want phased arrays. We want multiple beams and so on. So this is where we see a big change. Everything has to be modular, and this puts a lot of pressure on the design tools you have for making your antennas and what performance you can get out of them and so on. So that's one of the things that we see from our perspective, at least.
We're just getting over the supply chain issues because of COVID. But I think the dealing with the inflation of the parts that as a result of COVID is probably one of the biggest challenges that we have. And controlling our BOM costs. Our BOM cost has gone up quite considerably, I think, because of the inflation. And so getting that back to pre-COVID levels is really what we're aiming for.
I do believe that, in particular, the increasing power of modern software-defined satellites is going to open up both a lot of opportunities for the industry, but also a whole can of worms of challenges that we will have to address as an industry, both on the operator side, but also on the technology vendor side.